If you are looking for how to add dot symbol in MS Word, then I'll help you to how you can do that. So in the first method, head to the insert on the top menu bar, and on the right side you will see that symbol. Click on that symbol and click on the more symbols, and in the symbols you will need to select the normal text from here, and on the right side under the subject you need to select Latin 1 supplement and find dot symbol over here, and here is the dot symbol. You just need to select it, click insert and close it. So here is the dot symbol. You just need to select it, go to the home and make it bigger as per your need. So in the second method, if you are using dot symbol frequently, then select it and copy it and place the cursor where you want to insert dot symbol. Head to the file on the top menu bar, and on the bottom side you will see that options. Click on that, and in the word option you will see that proofing. You need to click on that and click AutoCorrect option. Click on that, and here you need to type a key. Whenever you press this key, the dot will be inserted. I am inserting backslash, and here Control V to paste the dot symbol and click add over. Click that and click OK and head to the OK. And now press the backslash. You will see that dot symbol is inserted, and here. So you can make it bigger so you can easily see that. In the third method, you need to press the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to type 250 and release the Alt key. Make sure your numlock should be on and release the Alt key, and here is the dot symbol is inserted. Once again select it and increase the font so you can easily view that. And in the fourth method, head to the home, and under the paragraph group you will see that bullet option. Click on that, and here is the dot. Click on this dot option, and here this dot you can easily insert. So with these 4 methods you can easily insert dot symbol in MS Word. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.